Hey guys, Assalamualaikum, hello, hi, and welcome to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus, and wishing you all a very happy Eid al Adha. Really, I missed you all. I missed my videos, I missed my recipe postings, and I'm so sorry for not being regular. Is because I'm just held with my new venture. Once I'm settled with my new venture, I'm going to be regular on posting my recipes. So please stay tuned with Cooking is Fun with Firdaus and do not leave me, okay? Let me start with the recipe today, which I'm going to make is Mutton Sukkah Masala. This is one of my all-time favorite recipe that I would love to, have it with chapatis or even with plain rice or dal rice or rasam rice, something like that. So here you go. This is going to be super simple and easy. Ingredients will be available right at your kitchen cabinet. So please go ahead and start trying this recipe right now and also share with your family. I'm sure they will also love it. Okay, see, I'm going to do it in an open pot, but if you want, you can also use a pressure cooker. Okay, but pressure cooker, just make sure that you're going to end up with the right whistles so that you get the right consistency mutton cooked in the right way. So here you go, in an open pot. It's nice thick Dutch pot. It's going to be cooked, slow cooked, so you need a nice thick pot so that it doesn't burn in the bottom. Here I'm adding ghee. Okay, this is around 100 grams of ghee, to which we will be adding in oil. Around 50 ml of oil will do. Once the ghee and the oil begins to melt, you can add your whole garam masalas like bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, cloves, and a few fennel seeds, few cumin seeds, along with some black peppercorns. And then just to this you will be adding in around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix all these ingredients well together. So now once this is done, now you can add your mutton. Please clean the mutton well with the vinegar water, drain the liquid, and then mix it well. Let this sit for about 15 minutes in a very slow flame and cook on its own until the water oozes out. As you see, the water has oozed out, and now we'll start adding in the spices like red chilli powder, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, fennel powder. All these powders we'll be adding. You can also add curry powder to it. So now I'm going to add all these powders. You can see the ingredients in the description box below. And once I add all this, I'm just going to mix all this together along with some salt. And then I'll be adding in some finely chopped tomatoes. This is 1 cup finely chopped tomatoes with half cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. Now once I add all this, I'm going to mix everything together and just let this slow cook for about 25 to 30 minutes in a very medium to low flame. As you see, it's cooking, but every 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, I'm just going to open it up and keep stirring it so that I ensure that it's not burnt below. Now after 25 to 30 minutes, I'm going to add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt to this and mix it well until I get a nice, nice thick and a nice a dried form of a curry in my mutton, and the mutton is cooked well. Once this is done, adding in with some curry leaves and some coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves and curry leaves, and just mix it and just let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes in a very medium flame, and then you switch off the flame and it's ready to be served. Why we add these curry leaves and coriander leaves at the end is to enhance the flavor of curry leaves and coriander leaves with the meat. So it's yum. You see, the hot steaming Mutton Sukkah Masala is ready, and now we are going to enjoy with parathas. So hope you give it a try. You can also try with beef, you can try with the camel meat, or even chicken. So do try this and share your experience in the comment section below, and inshallah I'll see you soon with another recipe. Till then, you take care and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.